Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a fire version of Godzilla. Now, as you can see, yes, there is a cat walking through here. This is my cat Miami, and she, for some reason, wants to help on some of these videos right now. So I'm going to try my best to draw with her in here, but I will warn you guys, sometimes my hand and the marker do become evil things that she decides she needs to bite and attack. So let's start off with our Fire Godzilla. Now, we've definitely done some different Godzilla ones. We've done a burning Godzilla. Done kind of like the Godzilla breathing fire. But this one, what I want to do is I want to actually make like a fire version of him, kind of like how I made the ice one and the lightning one. So kind of like different elemental Godzillas. Sorry, I'm trying to get the cat hair off here. So let's start off with this. So to begin, we're going to start with the eye. So right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down and then up like this in like a check mark shape. And then I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down and then curves back up. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go up and then kind of curve over and then kind of curve around down to here for the top of the head. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down and then I'm going to kind of curve around and then I'm just going to go up and then down like this for the mouth. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then it's going to just curve back up here for the rest of the mouth. Now starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around here. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve around, and then up here for the jaw. Now right here, you want to make a little line that goes down, and then a little longer one that goes down here for the nose. Then, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then I'm just going to go down like this. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down to right about there. Then, starting right here, I want to make that first arm. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then it's going to kind of curve over. I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes down and then comes back up for his thumb. Then a line that goes down farther for his first finger. Then I'm going to put these next fingers kind of behind his first one. And then just make a line that just kind of goes up and it's going to kind of curve around here. Then, starting over here, I want to make his other arm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw a line that's going to start here, and I'm just going to kind of go down. I'm going to kind of curve this down, and I'm going to turn it into a claw right here. I'm going to make another one right here for his thumb. And then I'm going to put one more here, and we'll make the rest hidden. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up to here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to just kind of continue this line down to about here and go up a little bit. And then I'm going to make his next leg. So, his leg is going to start here. It's just going to go down and then kind of curve back this way. And then it's going to go down to here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and then come back for a toe. Sorry for the cat giving her tail a bath. And then I'm going to draw another one that goes down and up. One more right here that goes down and comes back. And then a little small one right here that's going to kind of curve up. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve and go to here. And then one more that's going to kind of curve up here to finish off the leg. Now his next leg is going to be over here. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then it's going to go straight down to here. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then come back. Another one that's going to go down and then kind of curve back. And then one more right here for his other little toe. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and then I'm going to run it right into his stomach. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw his long tail. Now, we don't have a whole lot of room back here, so I'm going to kind of make the tail kind of go down and then kind of curve up to here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down. Then it's going to kind of curve up and go right to the corner. Then I'm going to kind of curve it around, and then I'm just going to go back down to here. And then I'm going to take this line here and run it right to about there, just to kind of show where the tail is kind of curving around. Okay, so here is our basic drawing of our Godzilla, and it's going to be our Fire Godzilla. Now we want to start adding some of the details. So one of the first things is we want to add the teeth. So I'm going to give him some sharp teeth in here, and I'm going to put a little curved line down here. Some more teeth down here as well. And then a little curved line for his tongue. Now, because this is kind of like an elemental Godzilla, instead of doing spikes, I want to actually make flames. So flames can be kind of tricky. The biggest thing is just to draw some little kind of shapes back here that are just different sizes and lengths. My dad always taught me that when you are drawing fire, you want to make sure that the fire is not the same on both sides, because in real life, fire will never look the same on both sides. So I'm going to just draw some long, kind of big flames all along his back. And these will kind of look like the normal Godzilla spikes, but they're just going to be a little bit more in a flame shape. So you just want to make them kind of going all the way down here. I'm going to put some going down the tail too. I'm actually going to draw some of these right on the tail. And then as I get up here, I'm going to just kind of make them kind of curve around. Then on the tip, I'm just going to kind of cover the whole tip of his tail in fire, kind of like a little Pokemon Charizard look. Now, I want to put more flames back here. So what I'm going to do is I want to put some more behind here. So I'm just going to add some more little flame shapes that are just going to kind of fill in the area back here, just to make it look like he has like a lot of fire on his back. Then you can also go and kind of put some like smaller little flame shapes kind of around the front, just to kind of give it a little bit more detail. Biggest thing, just kind of make these look all different. I'm going to put one more right there. And then I'm just going to put a couple kind of down his neck too. Okay, now we want to add some more details. So I'm going to give him his claws, just some little curved lines, and on the toes too. And then I'm going to put some extra little lines just around here, just for some more little details to make it look like they're actually like sitting in the hands. I'm going to add some extra little kind of curved lines right around here. Then I'm going to add just some extra lines on his arms. I'm going to make kind of like a long, kind of like wavy, kind of broken line that's just going to go all the way down his stomach and then onto part of his tail, and I'm trying to draw a tail and there's a cat tail in my way. And then I'm just going to put some kind of curved, broken lines kind of going down here as well. I'll make some extra kind of curved lines right around here. I'm going to put an extra little curve right around here with some extra little lines around it for the kind of kneecap of Godzilla, and then just some more broken lines all around here. Same thing over here. I want to add some like different kind of little like spikes on his body as well, just to kind of make it look like he's really tough, you know, he's got a bunch of spikes and details on him. So just kind of putting these in like a random little pattern going down his body, just so we can kind of add some different kind of colors onto here. Put some going down his tail as well, just kind of like little triangle shapes. Gonna put some extra little lines down the body, and then just extra little ones kind of all over the arms. I'll put some more of these kind of wavy patterns on here. On his face, just gonna add some extra little lines around here, some little lines around his mouth, little lines around here, just to kind of make it look a little bit more detailed. Some extra little lines here. And then just some more little lines and details kind of around his whole body, just to kind of give it some texture. I'm going to put some going all the way around here, some curved lines, just to kind of show the shape of his body. Put some right around here and on the legs. And on the feet, some more on the stomach. And there you go. There is your drawing of an elemental fire Godzilla. So we've now done an ice version of Godzilla, a lightning version of Godzilla, and a fire version of Godzilla. I've got a few requests, one for a slime version of Godzilla, which can be really interesting, and for a rock version, which I think would be really fun to draw. And eventually what I'd like to do is make some of these guys fight. I think definitely having a ice Godzilla versus a fire Godzilla would look really cool. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, and if you guys are enjoying these videos, make sure to turn on notifications and subscribe to the channel. And please, those of you guys that are subscribed, keep sharing. We're getting closer and closer to 5,000 subscribers. Definitely a really cool, momentous place to kind of be at, and thank you for all those who are watching. So like I said, I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching.